Alright, so this is the tension unit off of the Singer 1207, or not a Singer, Kenmore 1207. This is a pretty standard tension unit off of Japanese made machines from the 50s and 60s. Some of them can be disassembled and cleaned, which this one looks like it can be. So I'm gonna do that with by starting with the 2 set screws on the back here. So these 2 set screws, which I'm going to take all the way out because this thing is so filthy, it's going to need to be completely disassembled. So 1 set screw, two set screws, with those out, the back side pops off and more goo comes out of this machine. Now okay. There's this screw in the front does come out. What is this? That's like an aluminum screw, okay. And then off pops that cover, and then there's a spring washer, and then this clip came out of there, and now that comes off, and it's got another washer and this star-shaped screw. And now you'll remember from the 1591 we've got basically a copy of a Singer tension unit. There we are. Excellent. Now I'll be able to put all that in the bathtub too.